Hey guys, welcome back again. I've just finished cooking and now I'm going to clean my kitchen. As you could see the clip before, it was so messy and some of the things I did them off camera just to save time, guys, because long videos. I made a poll on my community tab asking if you guys like 30 minutes videos, 20 or between 10 and 15, and most of the votes were running into the 30 minutes videos. So my like was to do to premiere my videos, and premiering a long video sometimes, and looking at the analytics also, people don't really stay in a video that longer. So a premiere of 30 minutes, I'm just thinking twice. I don't know how far this video will go, but I'll just manage it. So now I'm going to clean as I finished cooking, and some of the things like dishes I did them off camera, because when I cook, I clean the dishes as I go. I don't want a meeting of dishes on my table. So guys, let me get down to cleaning the kitchen. And let me tell you something, I am so happy. I have a new ceiling, as you can see up there. I have a new ceiling which is not yet painted. Yes, I will paint as time goes on, one step at a time. Baby step, guys, baby steps. You start by crawling, then you walk, then you start talking and do other things, and you grow to an adult. So I'm so happy I managed to get myself some ceiling in the kitchen. I do have some material for the bedroom, and that will be finishing off in due time, because today they installed yesterday, which was on Saturday, and today is Sunday. They are off. Actually, they were not available. We had a misunderstanding. They thought I wanted only one room, not knowing I have material for all the rooms, and they had other commitments for today, on which is Sunday. Then they will be coming on a Monday, which is a holiday. It's not really a holiday, it's a day observed, because when you have a holiday on Sunday, we observe it on a Monday. So they'll be finishing off my bedroom on a Monday. Goodbye to dust. Guys, I can tell you, when I cook, when it's windy, I get frustrated, I get stressed, because the dust coming from the roof, it was just too much, literally sand falling off, and it can fall off in the pots like that. So now that I'm having I'm so happy, and wow, it's a growth, guys. I am so happy that I have at least achieved this. And it's just that I didn't share my vision board. I have things in mind that I want to achieve for this 2022, guys, but for me, sharing them, sometimes am afraid that I can share them in public and fail. So it's a shame for me, but so far this year, I installed tiles. I installed the kitchen first in February, end of February. End of March, I installed the bedroom. Now it's in April. We are in towards end of April. I bought some ceiling. That is an achievement. So as time goes on, I will see what to do, because I have other projects coming. I don't know if I will achieve them or they will be in progress. What I want is, if I don't achieve it that year, at least it is in progress. So the reason why I don't share is because if I fail alone. Nobody knows, or I wanted to do this and I didn't do it, right? It's all about saving, it's all about determination, executing, implementation, and all that. So let's get into cleaning, and let me stop doing wah. It's just getting too much. It looks like I'm a politician now, but I'm so happy that I am making some progress, guys. So guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Elizabeth. I do cleaning motivation videos, laundry and grocery haul. So if this kind of content interests you, please consider subscribing to this channel, because there is a lot of more motivation videos coming, and I am sure you are going to enjoy them. Please give this video a like, share it, and yes, subscribe. And you can also support by watching the ads, watching the video from the beginning to the end. Please do not skip the ads, as we trying to grow and gear up this channel. And yeah, so I also have a feature for super thanks. You can also, if you feel like donating some things, you can buy some stickers there, comment with your super stickers. They're so nice, I think. And yeah, this is a way of supporting the channel also. You guys, we have to just remind you, give this a like. By giving this video a like, it means we are going to be shared amongst or across other communities, so that they can get motivated also. So I'm going to wipe my cupboard, the favorite part of the chores that I like, wiping that cupboard, making it look clean. So I have visitors coming. That's why I was doing things faster. And after this, I had to also bath. I was cooking before this. I'm thinking, did I mention that on my previous video, I did a mini grocery haul and laundry folding. So in that mini grocery haul, that was where I was going to cook those things that I bought. It was on a Sunday when I was doing this video. So yeah, let's get into the cleaning and enjoy this video. Here I'm just removing the crumbs made by the boy. He was eating some bread and the spillage there. You can see the spot for the spillage on the other side of the couch. So he was there and made some crumbs, breadcrumbs.
I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you, you don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I've been waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight, I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me, you just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you tonight. Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? I don't wanna call you, I don't wanna know what you think. I'm the one you go to whenever you feel like you're about to sink. I don't wanna just forget you, but I wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight, I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I could become the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna fear you tonight. Got me. Got me. Yeah, me, got me. Can I hear you? Got me. I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you, you don't wanna know if I feel alright.
Was never easy growing up. About time I read a book to distract myself from this reality. Oh, it's been a couple years, I feel the same. Guess I'll never really learn this fucking game, but I'm here to play it now. I don't wanna cry again, even if I lose a friend. You say you had good intent when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. I don't wanna try anymore. Yeah, I won't show up at your door in the morning. Said that it wasn't planned when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me.
Guys, I don't know if I am being too much or what, but since yesterday there were people moving around doing this thing that you see on top of my head, the ceiling. I'm going to use for mopping here because it was just moving around of people. There were 3 people, so I'm going to use disinfectant floor and all-purpose cleaner. Remove 100% stains, brilliant clean, fresh fragrant, kills germs, and it's a pine a flavor. Can I say flavor, or I don't know, and is bactericidal. English, bactericidal, so it removes bacteria. Also, I'm going to bleach the floor. Also want to bleach the mop. This one is for controlling. I'm going to put it also 100% stubborn dirt and grease removal. 100% natural cleaning particles, no harmful residue left behind. So I don't know if I'm being too much or what, but guys, let me be. I'm going to put in this one a little bit of jig also. And my Dettol floor cleaner. So 1 scoop of it, I think it will be enough. Let me wipe the excess spillage so that I can put it away in the cupboard. This one I will wipe it also so that I put it in the basket, and also wipe this one since I am going to put it in the basket also. Guys, let me be fast. I have visitors coming. They said they're coming after lunch. That is after 1 o'clock, and it's 1 o'clock already. So let me mop it fast, so that I can freshen up this piece. I'll start mopping this corner by the bedroom so that I can put away this chest that you're seeing just at the corner of the camera.
Time to when things were easier, before it got all complicated. Oh, just give me the strength to move on, cause I don't really wanna move on. I gotta do what's best for me. I don't wanna cry again, even if I lose a friend. You say you had good intent when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. I don't wanna try anymore. Yeah, I won't show up at your door in the morning. Said that it wasn't planned when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. Oh no.
mountain to the bottom of the ocean, yeah. Our song is running like a river. Let the current take us there. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny.
Thank you for watching this video until this time, and thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting. If it's your first time here, please come back for more videos, and for the regulars, I thank you for being here in my channel. I hope you got motivated, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye, guys.